Jai Hind everyone. So my topic for lecture it is poverty eradication. As said by Kofi Annan, the greatest challenges of our time is to eradicate poverty and hunger. So first of all, let us discuss about poverty in detail. That what does poverty means? Poverty means not having enough amount of money or resources to fulfill the basic demands of humans such as food, water, shelter and education. Many people around the world lives in poverty, which means that they are facing many difficulties in living and survival. So now, moving forward towards the question that why is poverty a problem? That why there is a need to eradicate poverty. So first of all, we should understand that when people are poor, so they struggle to purchase or get enough amount of food, get a proper medical care, and also sending their children to school. In this way, this can lead to an never-ending cycle of poverty because they can also result the future generation would also grow up in poverty. So we can say that poverty does not affect only an individual person but an entire community and countries. Now the question arises that what an individual can do to eradicate poverty. What are the measures which should be taken to abolish poverty and reduce poverty in any area? So first of all, the first main step is the education. As said by Nelson Mandela, that education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. So this applies to everyone. As the parents of these children should send their child to school and also educate them. In this way, they can end the never-ending cycle of poverty and also improve their lives. Because we all know that when people are educated, so they can earn more money and also improve the standard of livings. Now talking about the second important step, which is the access to nutrition and also resources. The government should ensure that the basic necessities and basic facilities like the healthcare, nutritional food, clean water, and also the different purposes should be given to the different people. In this way, they can improve their better healthcare and also the living standards. Now, talking about the third step, which is the eradication about poverty in terms of providing jobs. Governments and companies should provide jobs to the people because when people have a job or also have a work to do, so they can earn a certain amount of income. In this way, they can also support their families. Now, talking about the fourth step, which is the community involvement. We should talk with our friends and families about this issue. In this way, the more people know, the better we can solve about this issue and also discuss about the issue and the ways in which we can solve. Now, talking about the conclusion. In conclusion, we can say that poverty eradication is a big challenge that should be solved, and also it is possible by everyone to solve if we work together to solve this issue. Now, by focusing on education, job creation, access to resources, and also community involvement, we can help people to come out of poverty and also live a better life. As an individual, it is our responsibility. We should must work together to ensure that everyone can have a better life and also everyone has an opportunity to escape poverty. Thank you. Jai Hind.